Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello wonderful people, welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. And we drop news every day, and we also react to every videos that comes our way. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are returning subscribers, we appreciate you for your massive support, and we say may God richly bless you all for supporting this channel. And if you haven't subscribed, please kindly smash on the subscribe button, put on the bell so you get to know anytime we drop a new video. I have a video to present to you this very moment, and I will be watching that video with you. And after watching, let's drop our opinion constructively at the comment section, like our videos, and also share our videos if possible. Bye for now.
Bounce, position to be taken. Position taken. Advance. Advance. Rolling method to be advance. 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 Yes.
Thank you very much, beautiful demonstration by Ebubeagu. And the last one was Monk.
See my watch, now what? 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 See my watch, now what?
and that is the law of the state on Ebubeagu, passed by the State House of Assembly. So let me say that what we have here is very lawful, and will continue to be for the benefit of our people. Let me say that Section 7, subsection 7 of the law says the function of Ebubeagu is to assist the police and other security agencies in carrying out any lawful activities that we assist in monitoring law and order in the state. All Section 7 and 8 of the law is dealing with assisting the police and other security agencies. So let me say that this is not an alternate police, but this is an outfit that is totally under the tutelage, supervision, monitoring, directives, and obedience to the police force. There shall be no altercation. There is no superiority fight. You are told here by the Chief Security Officer, which is me, that you are under the police force. We will not fight the police. We will not disagree with the police. We will obey all lawful orders of the Commissioner of Police. Section 8, subsection 12 says the agency shall, in the course of carrying out its duties, safeguard the human rights of every person in line with the Constitution. And so let me say that the outfit is not politically motivated, but those who have been sponsoring insecurity in the state and who are afraid of the outfit can go to court to challenge the law, as this outfit will never be disbanded. However, just like in any organization where human beings are involved, there are bound to be excesses of some. And to checkmate this, we have the provost appointed by the command, and the public will feel free to send their complaints of any infringement on their rights to the provost, who will work with the state to handle. There is nothing to be afraid of. We also try to incorporate this in our law by the House of Assembly by setting up a committee that will supervise the provost of this Ebubeagu. I've been privileged to go around the state every night, and I see a wonderful synergy between police and this Ebubeagu. The police and Ebubeagu are in every corner in this state. And you will bear witness that since this operation started, we hardly can see excavation of our street light cables, going to boggle houses, and so on and so forth. So the people that are living here in Ebonyi State, they know the benefit of this synergy, and they know the benefit of this Ebubeagu. And I want to say to you, congratulations, and we are very grateful. It is therefore my pleasure, to the glory of God and to great appreciation of all those working with me, the ESCO members, the House of Assembly members, the Judiciary, Elders Council, Founding Fathers, Local Government Council, the security agencies, especially the police, and the good people of Ebonyi State, to launch Southeast Security Outfit called Ebubeagu, Ebonyi State Command, to the glory of God. Can we shout amen? Congratulations to each and every one of you. Yes, Ebubeagu is back in Ebonyi State. God bless you. Thank you.